Okay, back on to repairing Bluebell with this. I probably have to fix it first for you, because there's probably no like talking events. God, this is loud. I need better equipment, because this way it won't be so loud on me. So let's see, we got 2 blue chunks, a third one, which of 4th, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9. Holy shit, okay. What the hell are these things? Okay, so let's see. So L1 fires weapon pickup, all activates turbo boost, turbo back control, plus active parry. Alright, go. Fuck you bitches! I'm ahead. Oh, wait. Oh, those are turbo, okay. I'm slowly remembering anything about this game. Ah, shit. I remember doing this race so many times, it was ridiculous. Fuck you. There's a certain way to beat this I know I used to do all the time. I don't remember it much anymore, though. Bitch! Fuck you. Whoa, that was close. Damn you all! They're too much faster, which is bullshit. Hey, asshole. Ah, fucking... What's it called? Pincering me? I don't know. Fuck off. Ugh. Bitch. Oh, bitch, stop. I'm not in sharing with anybody who's not a friend. Goodbye. Aha, bitches. Damn, I'm in the lead. After I lost like most of that from that part. That sucks. So in this race, you constantly want to get as many of these as you can and use them whenever you can. Just be careful, because sometimes you will lose control, and like me, you will probably end up fucking over at some point, and that's to start this race over, because I guarantee it's going to happen in a minute. Like now. Look at that, free boost. I know you can die in this, though. I know that for a fact. You can fail this by dying, which is a pain in the ass. Remember when I first did this race, I died about so many... Oh, shit, that could have been dangerous. Oh, God. Shit. As you can tell, that guy was right behind me. Come on. Come on, I need to be ahead. I need to win for the first time in my life. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, actually, it took me 2 minutes and 33 seconds exactly. Fuck yeah. I'm winning. I'm winning.
Great race,
oh my God,
buddy. Here, take this helmet so the guys know you're one of us. Thank you, sir. Uh-oh. You come a message from the boss. Attention all non-select employees. First of all, whatever slug brain's been eating all the choochie bars in the break room, better quit stuffing his face. Or else, hey, turn those lights off. It's bad feng shui. Next, our space rendezvous point has been moved to, and listen up, knuckleheads, the Felsen system, sector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're no good with numbers, find a buddy to help you. Lastly, the company picnic is this Sunday. Don't forget to bring your own juice this time. Hey! I saw that, Cletus! You just turn yourself right up. Don't worry. The boss only yells because he loves us.
Yes, sir. I do feel his affection.
Did you see that broadcast?
Not really.
You should scope out that rendezvous point. Yes, we might intercept some stray transmissions.
Dallas Lawrence for Thug, Robert News, Feltel, something. God fucking bastard, he left. Oh, that thing left. Fly! Oh, God! Oh, the enemy didn't respond. That's gay. We could have deserved a good punch in the face. Or a shotgun. These guys are small fire. So let's go. How much? I will bet you $5. We'll have to do something that annoys the shit out of me. Yup. Just reading that, I saw what we had to do. Motherfuck. Ah. I kind of just want to pause it right now and just do this shit on my own. But then at the same time, it's only 5 minutes in. I don't feel like doing that. Let me see if I did it.
Under attack. Can't outrun them. Let's hope these weapons work.
Destroy all thugs for that ships in the sector and dispute their rendezvous. What is the next one? Lock. Okay, we're not doing any of those anyway, so let's do this one. Okay, that's how you use the da-da-da-da-da. What is this? Guns, and let's go in here. Oh, shit. That could have been fucking... Okay. Sensitive. Very sensitive. What is this?
You have found a nanotech boost.
Nanotech boost instantly.
Increase your maximum nanotech capacity.
Sweet. Actually, I know what that is now. I remember this one time I was doing this mission. I kept missing that constantly. I would get so low that I'd go up because I was always afraid I would hit the ship. Okay, you know what? I'm getting bored. Oh, let's play. That's not a button master. Veritanium. Where are you, assholes? Fuck you. Stop bullshitting me. Damn it. God, this is increasingly high. Damn it. They're good. They're good at their job. Too damn good. No. Damn it. Where'd you go? Yes. I'm not sure how far this plane I can go. Come here. Bitch. Okay, I have 19. Oh, God. Ow. Damn, that hurt. I don't need fucking missiles. I need help. Look at my shield already. Damn it. I can't control this ship, goddammit. Oh, wait, what? Bitch. Oh, wait, what? Hell yeah, they gave me my wish. I think shooting a knife or hitting the ice actually will instant kill you. Bitch. Wait, what? Yo, where'd you... Oh. Okay. Yeah, where's the other one? Ow. 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 Oh, okay, this part sucks. This is really blowing, bitch. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Didn't you wonder? I just ran into a guy. That's why my ship is so damaged now. If my ship could heal right now, I would be so amazingly happy. You would not believe it. Oh, no. That's not what I wanted. Oh, fuck. 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 Run. Code alpha, code green, code yellow. I don't care. Oh, shit. Code something. Okay, this sucks. This blows so much balls, it's unbelievable. Come on, man. Shield. Come on, man. One shield, that's all I asked for. Damn it, I didn't want rare titanium. Shit, oh my god! This sucks. No! Damn it. Okay, well. God damn it, stop being fancy. Oh man, I know what I'm getting. I know quite a few things I'm getting. Oh man, when I get them, I'll be the last one laughing. I'll be the last one laughing. You know what? I know some of the shit I already want. Why do I know? Because I used to hate these things so goddamn much. I got it each time I saw it. Stop fucking shooting me. Fucking whore. Clank, ratchet, this was a stupid idea. Whoever thought this was a good idea was a fucking moron. Where the fuck is this ship at? Is it below? Where are you? God damn it, man. Fuck off. Yes, I got a shield again. Fuck you, bitches. Oh, hell yeah. Well, that was not going to help me at all. Yeah, I need to do a big whoopie-doop. There we go. Okay. Fuck out of my face. Okay, we got 16 ships to destroy with my teensy bitty baton of health left, which I think anyway, this thing has about 3 waves, so I'm going to be cussing my ass off. My face is itchy. If I fail this one, I'm doing this off camera. Off phone, I guess I technically should say. Fuck off. What the hell? Oh, I got it. Okay. Okay. So let's do a speed boost and then do a big turn around. Man, space battle too. Space battle harder. I swear. And if you didn't know, it's Shaman said that in one of his videos. You know, it's supposed to be a Die Hard reference or whatever I think it is. Or Fast and Furious reference, I don't know. I know this is true beyond hell. This is space battle number 2, and I hate this because it's a lot harder. Where the fuck are you? Stop moving. Okay. I was right, there's a 3rd wave. Oh, there's not. Yes!
Yeah, I've got mad skills. Mad skills. Yeah. A difficult challenge, but one that a trained commando. Hold on. I'm intercepting a transmission.
For the 5th time, I have a collect call to Thugs for Less, Minister. You are gonna die. Will you accept the charges?
You are gonna die.
I'll take that as a yes. Thank you.
You need I'm taking top cover for no protection. And your moron employees are off at some. Hey, that was a bonding exercise. Hey, not.
arrive at the pickup point now. Your men are here, Pronto. You can kiss this contract goodbye.
Oh, yeah? Well, you can kiss your, you know what I mean.
Dang it.
Wow.
Did you trace that? Coordinates locked in. We are headed there now.
Make sure the new challenge require more bolts or extras of Galaxy map. Oh shit. Oh, I'm not doing that again. Go fuck yourself. Oh man, that was oh shit, that was a good joke.
So, how's the reception out here? We have sports, weather.
Ooh, Science Channel.
Keep going. Whoa, what's that? The man, the myth, the legend, the loser. Captain Quark, once the idol of everyone in the galaxy, has finally hit rock bottom. After his humiliation at the hands of Ratchet and Clank, Quark sold bogus merchandise he claimed were Gadgetron products. But a key defect in this product, the personal hygienator, caused severe irritation in sensitive body areas and alerted authorities to Quark's scam. Behind the Hero will return after these messages. Well, that explains a lot. Yes, I suppose it... All this time, my personal hygienator must have been causing that itch. Anyway, we should be at our destination shortly.
Well, that's nice to know. And there's probably another cutscene. No, this damn game. No, that.
Too late again. We always seem to be a bit late. Why is that? Well, let's check
What the hell, man?
and find out where he's headed.
Hey, asshole, this is not my fault. You guys are already 40 steps behind. If you just take me to the final boss area, I can easily catch that guy. Be like, yo, bitch, I've been waiting. The fuck are you? Wee, okay, let's go. So it's over here. Money, shit. Oh, I need to find a skill tree thing. Just tell me what some all are. I need to find that at some point. Not worth it to me. The shotgun is, though. I would rather actually buy the shotgun for $65,000. Then, oh, okay. I don't know, for some reason that just made me weird out. Oh, wait a minute. New video, because this is long.